Let's go.
Ooh, popcorn.
Is ashwagandha? Why? Oh, you did not. Hey guys, my name's Kaylee.
My name's Luke.
We love watching organization videos and my house needs to be organized. So that's what leads us into this video. We just want to organize everything and like get a clear headspace because we need to clean. So
And it'll be satisfying to watch too.
yeah, I think they're so fun to watch, like organization videos. We're gonna do our pantry, we're gonna do under the sinks in the bathroom, and we also got a little vanity to go over the bathroom that we're gonna decorate a little bit.
Yeah, so it's gonna be fun, it's gonna be satisfying.
So I hope you enjoy it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get into it. Let's go.
Us. No.
We've been in here for like probably 20 minutes now, and that's all we've gotten. We're
just
supposed to
been
be here
looking.
for like, oh, popcorn.
Oh.
That's it? The ingredients are mangoes. Oh yeah, we're good with
Okay,
those.
yeah, they're just dried mangoes. There's nothing added.
I love mango. Mango's my favorite. So, Big Lots was a bust. We didn't get anything we actually needed. Like,
So,
I got a car freshener for $2.
like just the most random things we got. So now we're on our way to Walmart so we can just like multitask, get some groceries. And
We gotta get
actually
Loki some dog food. Hopefully they have organization stuff because we're supposed to be organizing stuff today. Going into Walmart now. Okay, so I got these awesome like gummies. I had heard that this brand was pretty good, but I was gonna get the apple cider vinegar ones because obviously apple cider vinegar is good for you, but this one says ashwagandha. I'm gonna have to do my research, but it literally says it's so good for like everyday stress and it helps with your memory, cognition, and quality of sleep and more. So
Is that just the general purpose?
I
gummy,
guess so.
or-
I'm gonna take it later tonight and we'll see how it goes because that's good for me. Since I'm bipolar, I have to get my sleep, and if I don't get sleep, then it could cause me to go into an episode. So that's not good. But I'm gonna try these and see if I can actually like notice a difference. Here for organization stuff. And look at what you're holding.
This is organizer stuff. It's
We're
space
getting this
saver.
for my toilet. We scored. Look at that. We got all this stuff. Ross was definitely the place to go for organization stuff, for sure.
For bathroom stuff as well. Well, it's gonna look good when we get back.
Oh yeah, for sure.
So I think the first thing we're gonna do is take everything out of the pantry and just sit it on the table so we can see what we have, because if you can't tell, it's like really cluttered right now. Oh my gosh, if you've never had Larabars, oh, this flavor, the peanut butter chocolate chip,
It's like a Reese's Pieces.
you gotta get on these Larabars.
Oh, who's been drinking Starbucks?
Not me, because I can't have coffee.
two-story house, and in the two-story house there's stairs, and under the stairs we have the little Harry Potter closet is what we call it, but we're gonna organize this to look at how
It's just
crammed.
stuff thrown
It's
in
just
there.
like random stuff thrown in there. We're gonna try to get all of that out.
What are you doing? Not with the no, that's bad karma. You can't do that.
Why? Oh! You're right, I should stop.
Oh wait, show them what we did. Little hack. Put tape on it. Measure it and put tape on it.
So we know the length.
Yeah.
Good deal. Okay. I'm gonna.
This is from me and your mom.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm excited.
You did not.
What is it?
Oh my god! Yeah! Oh my god, I got those!
Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, these are so cute.
Yeah, they're good material.
Oh, I'm so excited. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh.
organization video. I hope it inspires you to clean your house or organize something in your house.
I know it was satisfying to do, so I don't
Yeah.
think it's satisfying to watch.
Of course, I'm so glad my house is clean now. And I hope you guys like and subscribe if you want. Leave us a comment. It always supports our channel if you give us a like button or subscribe.
And give us some feedback. We always love to hear it.
Yep. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.
See ya!